Hey tech buddy, today we're checking out the all-new Samsung Trifold, a phone, a tablet, and a full workstation in one transforming device. Let's dive in and see if this is the true future of smartphones.
Before we start the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.
Let's unboxing the Galaxy Z Trifold.
Right out of the box, Samsung keeps things premium and minimal. Inside the Carbon Shield Edition box, you get the Samsung Trifold itself,
And Carbon Shield case,
a USB-C to C cable, a 45-watt power adapter, a quick start guide, and the SIM ejection pin. Simple, clean, and everything you need to power up the future.
as you lift the Trifold, the engineering instantly stands out. Unfold it once, unfold it twice, and you're greeted with a stunning, seamless expanse of display. The corners are beautifully curved, the edges feel polished, and the hinge mechanism is smoother than anything Samsung has ever made.
Now let's talk about the displays. You fold it down, the cover screen is a 6.5-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X panel, also 120 Hz refresh rate with an impressive 2600 nit peak brightness and a crisp 2520 x 1080 resolution. When fully opened, you get a massive 10-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X main display, smooth, bright, and built for serious multitasking. It supports a 120 Hz refresh rate, peak brightness of 1600 nits, and a sharp 1584 x 2160 resolution, giving you tablet-level clarity in a device that still folds into your pocket.
And the Samsung Trifold comes with 16 GB of RAM paired with 512 GB storage. And for power users, there's also a massive 1 TB storage option available. For apps, files, photos, and high-resolution videos, no compromises at all.
Now come to cameras, because Samsung didn't hold back here. The Trifold features a powerful 200-megapixel wide main camera with an f.17 aperture, OIS, and crisp 2x optical zoom, giving you sharp detail in every shot, day or night. You also get a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, f.2.2 aperture, for sweeping landscapes and creative wide-angle shots. And completing the setup is a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with f.2.4 aperture, 3x optical zoom, and OIS, perfect for portraits and distant subjects with clean and stable result.
On the front, you get a 10-megapixel selfie camera, f.2.2 aperture for clean, natural selfies, and the 10-megapixel cover camera, f.2.2 aperture. And it even lets you snap selfies straight from the outer display. Super quick, super clean, and no need to unfold at all. And the Samsung Trifold is powered by a large 5600 mAh battery paired with 45-watt super-fast charging, delivering reliable, all-day power for a truly futuristic device. And the Samsung Trifold is the most powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. It delivers up to 37% faster CPU performance, 30% stronger GPU power, and an impressive 40% boost in AI and NPU performance, making everything feel faster, smoother, and smarter.